All right, everybody, how's it going? So, right now it's currently Sunday, July 23rd, 9 p.m., and I'm about to go over my future outlook on the market coming next week. So, first and foremost, we do have a bunch of news this week. So, on Monday, we have a bunch of red folders, but most importantly, on Wednesday is what we're looking for, the FOMC dropping their funds rate. So, depending on that, the expected is 5.5. So depending on if we get hawkish news or dovish news is when we'll really get our reaction on Wednesday. So before that, right, let's look at the market. So we have been in a current uptrend as we broke this high, right? Now, as you can see, how I trade is big psychological levels, right? 4,600, 4,500, 4,400. And right now, right here, we have 4,300. These are big levels to look at, right? So we swept on last year, March highs, right? Was 4,600. Basically, we saw a huge downturn right after rejecting those levels. So yes, we are on a current uptrend, right? But we're also facing some heavy rejections on these levels, right? Now let's go more into last week's price action. So what I'm looking for right now is definitely a pullback, at least in the 4,500, because, right, if we see, sorry, I have low battery. We have been in an uptrend, right? And this is the push that broke these highs, right? So I'm looking into a retracement back to these levels, something like this, right? That I can possibly long into, because right now this area right here at 4,500 is what I'm looking at as discount. I'm not going to long any here. So that's what we're looking at ES, right? We have this clear uptrend and this discount area falls right on it, right? As you can see, we swept 4,600 liquidity exactly to the dot, right? We swept it, came back. Now let's go on the 1 hour time frame. We see some clear rejections level, right? This seems to be the 4590 level, in which we created some supply and demand imbalances. Let's go on the 15-minute, right? We see it more clearly now. We actually did catch these shorts in our Discord, these right here. We caught these on, excuse me, I'm gonna turn this magnet off right here. So our stop loss was above these highs. Our entry, we caught these on our Discord on Thursday with the live Discord trading chat, and this was a banger, 1 to 3, and we were still holding shorts all the way up until the next trading day. So yeah, members made a banger off of that, and as you can see, we had a clear nice break, right? We had an uptrend going on, dipped at 10 a.m., came back, retested it once, twice, couldn't hold, and absolutely flushed. Now, we also caught those. But yeah, for ES, I am definitely looking to go long, because we have been in an uptrend, but we definitely need to see a pullback, right? You can also look for a short term squeeze from these levels right here in Monday morning, right? Something like this. So where to go? I really don't use TradingView. I actually use Thinkorswim chart. So something like this or something like this, but beware, we still have this huge supply level right here, right? So I would look for shorts. We can come retest this area on Monday, but I don't think we're gonna push over 4,600, right? So something like this, right, and I go long here all the way up. And because this is the discount level that I'm seeing from the Fibonacci retracement, the 0.618 level. That's between the 0.5 and the 0.618 is what they call the golden area. So yeah, and we did have a gap over here actually, so I would go long into that, but this all depends on the federal funds rate, right? This is very important economic data that will crush through all news, whatever it is. Technicals won't work when that data comes out higher than expected or lower than expected. So that's my market outlook for you guys, right? Come back to these levels at least and then sprung. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and yeah, look at this video right in the week coming up, see if this video helped you, and if it did, come back to it, drop a comment, like whatever you can to show some love to the channel, man. Thank you.